Wastewater Dan presents wastewater math calculated with Excel spreadsheets. As a new service of ESDLT's Environmental Academy, environmentalacademy.com, today's example, calculate pounds having PPB concentration. Today's problem reads, wastewater has total metals concentration of 0.0725 Ug/L, ppb in parentheses. A process unit contains this waste flowing 180 GPH for 124.5902 minutes. Calculate the pounds of total metals in this flow of wastewater. So this is a poundage problem, and we're using the waste stream version of the poundage formula, and we have three components in that problem: gallons, concentration, and conversion factor from gallons to pounds. And the first thing we want to look at is the concentration, which is expressed to us in Ug/L, which is micrograms per liter, which is also in increments of billions as a B for parts per billion. And so first thing we need to do is recognize that this needs to be expressed as increments of millions in order to use the standard format for this calculation. And billions have 9 zeros, millions have 6 zeros, so the conversion factor would be a 1 with 3 zeros, which is 1,000. And to go from parts per billion to parts per million, we divide. So we're going to divide by 1,000 to convert parts per billion to parts per million. The flow is in gallons per hour, and we need this for 124.5902 minutes. But the formula needs to be expressed in increments of millions. So we're simply going to take the hours divided by 60 to get the gallons per minute, multiplied by the number of minutes to give us total gallons, and divide by 1,000,000 to give us increments of millions. So the formula reads pounds of total metals equals 1,000,000 gallons at these minutes times parts per billion converted to parts per million times 8.34. Now if we go down and look at the Excel spreadsheet, we see the example, we see the problem, we see the formula. Now we want to enter it in a blank Excel worksheet. We want to take cell C1 and type in this description here: pounds of total metals having ppb concentration. You want to go to A1. You want to format it as numbers with 9 decimal points. You want to make it bold and centered. You want to go up on the formula bar. You want to type in this formula. You want to put in an equal sign, open parentheses, 180 divided by 60, multiplication sign, 124.5902 divided by 10 to the 6th component, close parentheses, times 0.0725 divided by 10 to the 3rd exponent, close parentheses, multiplication key, 8.34 inside parentheses, inside open and close parentheses, and then take that whole formula, hit enter a return key, and then this is your answer. The decimal point, 6 zeros, and the 226. So if you had a flowing waste stream at 180 GPH for 124.5902 minutes, and the concentration was 0.0725 UGL, this would be the total pounds, the pounds of total metals in the waste stream, the 0.000000226 pounds. So hopefully this has been useful and helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I urge you to participate and interact by commenting or asking additional questions. You can do so through my environmentalacademy.com website, fill out an Excel form. Come back often to my YouTube channel because I will be publishing videos at least once weekly. So thank you and hope to hear from you soon. This has been approximately 5.5 minute video.